In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TripAdvisor to ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted travel ideas, hotel options, or itinerary inspiration pulled straight into your ChatGPT conversations, connecting the TripAdvisor app is a quick way to make that happen. I'll walk you through the exact path in the interface and add a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Start inside ChatGPT. Look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. Depending on your device, this might look like an avatar or your initials. A small menu will open. From there, click Settings. This is where you manage your account preferences, features, and any connected apps. Inside the Settings window, look along the left-hand side for the section labeled Apps. Click Apps to open the place where third-party connections live. Think of this as your central hub for adding, reviewing, and managing integrations that extend what ChatGPT can do. Once you're there, look for a button or link that says Explore Apps or Add More. Either option takes you to the same catalog of available apps you can connect. At the top of that catalog, you'll see a search field. Click into it and type TripAdvisor. When the TripAdvisor app appears in the results, select it, then click Connect. At this point, just follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to review what the connection does, accept terms or confirm permissions so the app can work alongside ChatGPT. If a sign-in or consent screen appears, complete it as prompted. The process is designed to be straightforward. Approve what's needed, and the connection finishes in a few moments. When the connection is successful, you'll typically see a confirmation message or a status change indicating that TripAdvisor is now connected. From then on, ChatGPT can reference TripAdvisor within your chats to help with travel planning, using the permissions you just approved. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Apps section or the TripAdvisor app in the catalog, make sure you're on a supported plan and that your ChatGPT app or browser session is up to date. Availability can vary by region and account type. Also, always review the permissions carefully and avoid sharing any private or sensitive information in your prompts. If you ever want to disconnect or adjust the connection, return to Settings, open Apps, and manage it from the same place you turned it on. That's it. You've connected TripAdvisor to ChatGPT, and you're ready to enhance your travel planning right inside your conversations.